Hey guys, what's up? How y'all doing? We're back in business, right? Right now, just gonna show you guys how I bought a DJI Pocket 2. And it finally arrived, and now I'm gonna open it. Yeah, there we go. Here we got the DJI. I bought it from JB Hi-Fi and finally arrived. And here we got it, DJI Pocket 2. And we're gonna be using this to upload our workouts, daily workouts. I'll be uploading it soon. Here I'm gonna show you my new camera. It's a DJI Pocket 2 Creator Combo, which it has a wireless microphone and lens, extra lens. Make sure it makes it more wider. And I charge. I think it's from the bottom. You can put charger and touch case. I don't think it's a case, charging case. It's more like a battery. But yeah, let's open this out. We'll do this. Let's start from this side. Maybe don't scratch it. It's gonna take a while. Let's start from this side. Yep, there we go. Got it. Oh my god, I'm so excited. Okay, here we go. Dang, bro, look at this. Oh my god, damn, bro. I got the case here. It's more like it's not a case, it's more like where you put your DJI Pocket. What is this yellow? Okay. Oh, god damn, bro. Look at the camera. Damn. Sexy. We go like this. What's up, guys? How's it going? Oh my god. What's this? Oh, this is the mic. Dang, bro. So let's do this. Damn. So this is where you can plug in your phone, connect to your connect it to your computer. Yeah. And it's the, let's put that one. Yeah, this is for the mic. What else we got here? Okay. We got some lot more things there where we talk about the wireless microphone. Oh my god, this is where you put the from the bottom. So I think this is how it goes. Oh wait, what? I think I had to take this out first. I hope I don't break it. So yeah, I think this goes like this, makes it more longer, so it goes like that. Oh my god, I just can't. And then you can put your tripod there, which I think I do have one. I don't think it's here, but I do have one, but I'll find it later. So yeah, we got this. Oh my goodness. Hey guys, what's up? It's your boy Mark. And here we got a microphone where we can put this part. I think they call this a dead cat, this one. So I think you put this in here, and you put this in your shirt, so it goes like that. Or it's a wireless. So yeah, enough of that. I think, what is this? This is a tripod? No, it's not. Wait, is this? What's this? It's like this. Oh. What? It goes like, dang, bro. It goes like this. Wait, what? I'm confused now. I'm pretty sure it goes like that. No. Wait, what? Can you guys comment below and let me know how this actually works? Right now it's not working, or I'll do some research how to do this one. But anyways, so that's that. And now we're gonna go from this last part, which is, I don't know what this is. Oh, I think this is a spare for this one. Fuck, I don't want to break it. Nah, fuck. Oh shit, there's a thing here. This one. Oh my god, I'm about to break it already. There we go. Fuck. Thank god I didn't do it all the way. Okay, so you can put this one on the bottom, pretty sure. Make it, oh, so I don't have to get this. This is before detaching. Okay, this is the handle, and this is makes it more shorter. And here actually you can put your tripod straight away instead of using this longer one. This one is makes it more longer, I think. Yeah, and it goes like that. Sup guys, how's it going? So yeah guys, that's it. Hopefully you get to buy this as well. I think I recommend this. I'll try get some reviews and see if it's, oh, I did some research, and I think this is a best camera for bloggers and just traveling, I guess. So yeah, hope you enjoyed this video, and see you guys next time.